Do you see this place? That is crazy. This morning I drove out of Bryce Canyon National Park, continued east for about 20 minutes and then just turned off on this dirt road. Right now I'm at the trailhead for what's supposed to be a pretty cool slot canyon. I think I'm going to try to get in around like the evening light, maybe even do some blue hour shots in there. So for now I'm just gonna clean the car up a little bit and then head out and try to get some good photos. Just starting on the trail now. It is 6:10, so hopefully gonna try to get some sunset shots, or we may not be able to see the sun in the canyon, but hopefully it'll be still nice light. And then maybe if I'm not too scared to hike back out in the dark, stick around for blue hour, get some more photos then. This is unreal. I've never been in an actual slot canyon before. It's already way better than I expected. Do you see this place? That is crazy. So I decided to set the camera up right here, just kind of stretching over the stream. Got a nice little rock in the foreground where the water's flowing around it, using a slightly long exposure, 1/5 of a second, just to kind of smooth the water out. Got some nice light back there, still hitting the rocks. It's pretty awesome. Just a simple slot canyon landscape photo. I'm liking it. So I ended up just walking up and down a bunch of times, taking a couple more shots. One of them I think I really like is actually looking the opposite direction from the first shot. You got the nice stream leading up through the canyon, the beautiful walls on either side, and then just some trees right at the end lit up by the orange sunlight. I think I am going to stick around for blue hour. I'm actually only a couple hundred yards from the trailhead, so definitely going to shoot somewhere in this main part of the canyon and hopefully get something good. Just got to wait for a little bit till it gets darker. As you can see, it's now just about blue hour, pretty dark, a little bit spooky, but it's okay. Just got the camera here all set up, shooting f2, ISO 2000 and 1/200th of a second, pointed straight down the canyon, 50mm lens. I'm just gonna run down there with my headlamp on and just kind of add a subject. I'll sort of dance around, shooting one shot every 2 seconds, so hopefully one of the frames comes out okay. Well, it didn't turn out super fantastic, but still cool to shoot. Just gotta head back to the car right now, do some editing, and probably go to bed. Just doing a little bit of editing on those shots. Definitely liking the way they turned out. I think I got a couple good ones in there. just gonna go ahead and spend the night here at the trailhead tonight, and then tomorrow continue going east across the desert. So gonna go ahead and end this episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. There's lots more to come, and I will see you guys in the next video.